Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is type of e-commerce business models and how to dream which one site you are. The main six type of e-commerce models. February 20, they are several type of e-commerce business model and these professional online retailer sales pro set to grow years after years. Still not every e-commerce business model is equal size your company. Every target type e-commerce business instead you have package customer need unique. All of these steps and new customer needed required e-commerce business to adapt need their customer into local customer. What is e-commerce? Simple, different. Are you looking for way to start your own e-commerce business? They are offer 2 billion online buyers and worth more than half which make purchase target smartphone, films, individual buying and sell a thing our internet. How many type of e-commerce are there? If you interest your every owner e-commerce business, you are needed to go something reaching looking into different type of e-commerce business model and website before choosing your partnership. Learn about e-commerce will enable to your online store monetize your business property. The six type of e-commerce business model: individual business type of B2B, business to customer B2C, customer to customer C2C, customer to business C2B, business to administer B2A, customer to administer C2A. E-commerce business can after defined physical good digital product service to their customer. What is your customer get? Selling physical goods, interest failing before both advantage and dismiss to e-commerce. The most type of strategy related sales process, physical goods, increase material storage, shipping, breaking and insurance, digital good online product, everything that don't require physical shipping and in quality affect customer feeling, purchase online course, ebook and much more. Selling service target e-commerce business can happen online offline companies in individual can fill type of service on software developing look and electric service. Which type of e-commerce you can choose keep in the measure complete price and free shipping care the two most informative factor online shippers time delivery to tax risk professional reading delivered data made more than 20% of partner buyer addiction their shop kits complete process made 21% of customer gave up buying a product and service majority still effect shifting to effect and related customer to place accordingly. Customer increase low labor can time saving. The primary reason e-commerce business choose customer service outreaching. Six type of e-commerce business models. M to B business to custom business e-commerce to B2B customer to business model primary contact providing product for one's business other still many complaints these niche service products. You can find software development, company call interest, HR firms, according and bookkeeping service etc. B2B the most following type of e-commerce business model is B2B the buying can enter still by longer sales classic by driving high order value more receipt purchase according to some reach 2020 choose your half B2B buying administer near double the amount from 20 to 21 choose B2B rated that other type of e-commerce business large dependent on your target audience and planned result however you should keep B2B entry requires invest more cash into your e-commerce business. Five main benefits of B2B e-commerce more customer more effect. A B2B customer platform enable your business to grow and sell successful. Improvement buyer exchange customer service. B2C business to customer e-commerce what is made by e-commerce the buy to see domain what is most think better business state transmission plus difficulty costing method you can accept value customer visitor sign location does spend e-commerce business you have more optional for key difference between B2B and B2C e-commerce platform homepage and its MS customer support e-commerce and call center serving B2C e-commerce required better customer service and increase with customer target audience the managed reach out theme defend pressing B2C return more customer V pressing cable pro tips you for B2C business owners customer service outage often turns out the best solution effect engine and return customer when to trying to third party service provide to take care customer experience you can have saved single amount of time average access more scale your cost factor core business area finding the right outsiting company give complete eases help your e-commerce business start out C2C costed customer e-commerce will B2C and B2C type of customer business model partner individual constraint most C2C at different customer recept business model enables e-commerce between private individual some experience of C2C e-commerce increase eBay Amazon the most C2C payment platform today value in Google Play. The unlimited goals of C2C e-commerce is buying and sell close their e-commerce. Benefit of C2C e-commerce sales reach large audience easily, low cost and price flexible audience comfort buying C2B customer to business e-commerce audience C2 increase provides still wants to customer business people individual thing expering top C2C transition was the best experience C2C customer Upwork that platform individual freelancer benefit Three type of benefits: C2B customer insurance, marketing reach, a better increased customer needed, a more friendly and approval target, and sale provide B2A business to administer e-commerce benefit administer transmission customer defense. B2G also client B2A experience some software component outsiting development and the provide service direct the government large improvement information description local data. C2A constant customer administer e-commerce. So subscribe my channel for latest fashion update. Thanks for watching.